Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to freeze a frame in Davinci Resolve. So let's start. It's very easy. As you can see, I'm here on Davinci. So if I want to freeze something, let's go to the part that says edit, and here on edit I have the video. So if I want to freeze something, a part or something like that, if you have a video here, you can cut it and then just right click here, and then let's go to the part that says change clip speed. So you can change here, and then it says frame. So for example, let's click here and let's click, and then let's go to change click speed, and then let's freeze frame, and you can click on change. As you can see now, all the video is the same frame. As you can see, it doesn't change, it stays the same and those things, but this is changed, okay, as you can see here. So that is how we can freeze a frame on our Davinci Resolve. I hope this works for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.